Hi, it's Tara Green. I want to talk about this solar tsunami that's unusual, that's happened. It started August 26th. It's going to set to hit the Earth August 28th, causing kind of a minor solar flare, but it's an unusual thing. You can watch the sun here reacting as this ripple of coronal mass ejection, magnetic electricity ripples across the sun. So it will hit the Earth. They're scheduling it for the 28th and the 29th into the 30th even. The interesting thing is, of course, astrologically, the sun is squaring the nodes on August 28th, and that's exact. It's 6 degrees Virgo, 9 degrees, and 6 degrees Gemini, 9 degrees. That is the north node. So if you have planets, if you have your nodes there, your ascendant, descendant, IC, MC, whatever, you're going to definitely feel the sense of this solar flare hitting the Earth. Now, you might have already felt it. I usually tend to feel these things before they hit the Earth. I get really exhausted, and I was feeling it all day today and right now as well. So if you feel really tired, if you get headaches, if you get dizzy, those are all solar magnetic flares hitting the Earth. They affect the torus energy of the Earth. They affect the poles. We're also electromagnetic beings, and it throws us off as well. Now, some New Age people feel that these are solar upgrades, that we're always being bombarded with radiation from the Earth, therefore we're always being mutated. So when these things happen, it's like an extreme, you can see it shooting out there, extreme electromagnetic frequency, higher vibrations, or some kind of stronger vibrations, right? Causes aurora borealis, the northern lights, the northern hemisphere. If you're lucky enough to live pretty far north, you get to see those beautiful dancing lights. Don't know if we'll see it from down here in southern Ontario. I have seen solar flares, aurora borealis, northern lights from my backyard actually, occasionally. So if you feel tired, remember to rest. So it is a nodal axis. It's kind of like an eclipse in a way, because the north and south nodes of the moon create eclipses. Now it kind of indicates we're halfway through eclipse season, and the only total solar eclipse of the year happens on December the 4th at 12 degrees of Sagittarius, actually. So you want to think about that. Also, Mercury is at the last degree of Virgo up until the 29th, when it enters Libra, enters Venus's territory. So all of this happening at once. The sun is also squaring Ceres. That means it's also squaring Lilith at the same time. Paying attention to what's going on with the divine feminine. We are in the 1,000-year reign of the divine feminine. I saw somebody just calling it the Sophia era, Sophia, the goddess of wisdom. So tune into what the sun is trying to tell you. The sun, of course, is the star that lights up our solar system. It is our star among billions and trillions of stars in the universe, but it's our specific star. Tune into the sun. It is alive. Look at it. Look at it moving and changing, and we don't really know what it is still. So tune into it intuitively. You'll get some downloading messages that will help you decide which direction you're supposed to go in. Remember, north node of the moon, 6 degrees of Gemini, 9 minutes. That's where we're heading towards. 6 degrees Sag, south node. That's what we're leaving behind. That is right on my sun. All right, so I'm going to tune into it. I'll let you know what I feel, what I come up with, what I'm intuiting. I feel like there's a big shift happening. It may not be visible yet, but this is like a sign. All right. So if you want to get in touch with me, I'm at taratarot.com. Please subscribe to me on YouTube. Follow me on my blog at infinitynow.wordpress. I'm on Twitter. I'm on Instagram. I'm on TikTok even. Many blessings.